We ready, Johnny?
No.
Oh, we're in Scotland and it's fucking freezing. Johnny's with me, getting his fucking winch out. There he is. Look at that bad boy, boys. Fucking red rims. Red rims. Has he got an exhaust on as well? Oh, it's got a fucking exhaust. It's got a fat exhaust. Look at the size of that. Bit of bird shit. Some trim's missing. I'm fucking laughing, mate. Got rubber mats, got a fat exhaust. Oh, the thing is broke.
Oh, we've got a big rough air pipe.
Oh, lovely. That belt's a bit fucked. Oh,
Very nice.
I'm shaking. Hopefully the anti-shake is working.
It's been tuned by Roadrunner though. She's a bad boy.
Hey, he's got a K100. Be a fucking bonus. Here, let me go get these fucking ramps out. Yo, so we're on our way back now. Johnny's the one who's going to paint my EG, so go follow him. EP3 Johnny. EP3 Johnny, innit? EP3 Johnny. And he paints and he does panel beating. He's in Manchester area. Don't be ringing him from like down south.
Yeah.
He will come and do it, but he'll charge you.